Coming to the dentist isn't always the nicest of experiences, but it's calming, which is, I think, really important coming to the dentist. Being explained everything step by step is really, really good. I've not had that before. It's reassuring. I'm suffering with gum disease, so I'm going through a process of getting rid of that at the moment. And the hygienist I've just seen has been brilliant, explaining every step that she's gone through, exactly how to brush my teeth, which I would have thought I would have known at my age, but I didn't, not really, so it's been great. I would recommend this clinic because they are incredibly thorough. They explain every step of the way, make you feel at ease, and yeah, just a general improvement in my teeth, which is what you're here for.